मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, आप सभी को प्रभु यीशु मसीह के नाम में जय मसीह की। दोस्तों, अगर पहली बार हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आए हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आपके लिए मसीही न्यूज़, मसीही बातों और मसीही वचन को आपके बीच में लाता हूँ। तो दोस्तों, हम जानेंगे कि मूसा किस प्रकार इज़राइल और यहूदी धर्म को वो प्रभावित किए थे, इन्फ्लुएंस किए थे 1500 BC में। तो आइए हम जानते हैं। तो दोस्तों, बिजनेस टुडे न्यू वेबसाइट के माध्यम से जो प्रकाशित हुआ है वहाँ से मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। Who was Moses and how did he influence Israel and Judaism in 1500 BC? Introduction to Moses. Moses, a central figure in the religious narratives of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, is believed to have lived around 1500 BC. His life and action are foundational to the establishment of Judaism and the story of Israel. Early life. According to the religious texts, Moses was born in Egypt during a time when the Israelites were enslaved by the Egyptians. His birth occurred during a period when Pharaoh, king of Egypt, ordered the killing of all male Israelite babies. However, Moses' mother saved him by placing him in a basket on the Nile River. Encounter with God. Moses is famously known for his encounter with God at Mount Sinai, where he received the Ten Commandments, foundational principles of the Israelite religion. This event is significant in the formation of Jewish law and ethics. Exodus from Egypt. Under Moses' leadership, the Israelites fled from slavery in Egypt, crossing the Red Sea miraculously parted by God. This event, known as the Exodus, marks as pivotal moment in Jewish history and identity. Journey to the Promised Land. Following the Exodus, Moses led the Israelites on a journey through the wilderness towards the land promised to them by God, known as the Promised Land or Canaan. This journey, chronicled in the biblical book of Exodus, lasted for 40 years. Covenant with God. During their journey, Moses meditated a covenant between God and the Israelites, establishing a special relationship between them. This covenant, symbolized by the giving of the Torah, the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible, forms the basis of Jewish faith and identity. Leadership and guidance. Moses served as a prophet, judge, and leader of the Israelites, providing guidance and direction to his people as they navigated challenges and obstacles on their journey. Legacy. Moses' leadership and teaching laid the foundation for Judaism as a monotheistic religion, emphasizing ethical principles and laws. His role in the Exodus and the establishment of Israel as a nation are central to Jewish identity and collective memory. Impact on Israel. While Moses himself did not physically enter the Promised Land, his leadership and teachings influenced the subsequent history and development of Israel as a nation. His legacy continues to inspire believers and shape religious tradition to this day. Establishment of Jerusalem and the First Temple. Following the Exodus and the Israelites' arrival in the Promised Land, King David, one of the Moses' descendants, established Jerusalem as the capital of United Kingdom of Israel. Later, David's son King Solomon constructed the first temple in Jerusalem, also known as Solomon's Temple, around 957 BC. The temple served as the central place of worship for the Jewish people and became a symbol of their religious identity and unity. तो मेरे भाई और बहनों, आपने देखा किस प्रकार मूसा जो प्रॉफिट था, अगवे था, और किस प्रकार इज़राइलाइट्स यहूदी को किस प्रकार वो लीडरशिप दिए और परमेश्वर का कहा हुआ प्रॉमिस लैंड में पहुँचे। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन पवित्र वचन में से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर हमारे इस चैनल को लाइक शेयर कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ताकि आपके लिए इसी प्रकार मसीही न्यूज़, मसीही बातों को लेकर आता हूँ। तो दोस्तों, आप सभी को जय मसीह की।